Today on the Home Winemaking channel, I'm going to share how I'm able to keep this wine press so clean, even after all the dark purple grapes that have gone through it over the years. I've had this press for 5 or 6 years now, and every year we run about 1,000 pounds of grapes through it. And for the most part, it's stayed pretty clean, all things considered. The first thing that I do is tear this thing down and give it a good hose down. I like to use either a hot water hose, a regular hose will work fine if you've got a nice strong nozzle on it, or even better, you can use a pressure washer with a pretty wide angle nozzle so you don't damage the wood. And you're really just trying to get out any seeds or skins that get stuck in between the wood here, and just give it kind of a good pre-rinse. Next, I'll fill a bin with a solution of warm water and Be Bright. This is basically unscented OxiClean. It's sodium percarbonate and sodium carbonate. Sodium percarbonate breaks down into hydrogen peroxide and sodium carbonate when mixed with water. So what you end up with is this great kind of antimicrobial oxidizer mix that's also really a strong alkaline solution. So I'll soak this in there. I'll kind of roll all the wood pieces around, and what you'll see happen is that purple stuff will kind of turn almost like brown or black, and it'll help sort of bubble anything out of that wood that gets kind of squished in there. The leftover Be Bright from cleaning all the wood parts, I'll usually just dump it over all these metal and painted parts. And from there, we're just gonna go ahead and give it another quick rinse down. I'll use some mineral oil on any bare metal. Most of this metal's plated, so it's okay, but up in the screw area, it'll start to rust if you don't put some sort of food-safe oil on there. You can use some sort of silicone-based food-grade oil if you want as well. And then we'll just let it dry, and once it dries, it usually looks really pretty nice. Now, the next year or the next time that I go to use the press, I usually give it either a spray down with Star San or a quick soak in a bin of Star San. Star San's acidic, so I'd rather use an acid-based cleaner before putting these grapes in versus an alkaline type cleaner that could actually shift the pH up on my grapes. And this has worked really very well for me. You can see this press looks almost good as new. If you want to support the Home Winemaking channel, make sure to swing by my Patreon page where you can find other short, helpful videos like this. And if you haven't yet done so, make sure to subscribe below. Thanks for watching.